Hi children, good morning. Today we'll go learn to English question paper ma. Listen carefully all of you. Here identify the common noun and proper noun in the given words. Here see carefully ma. INDIA, India. It is common noun or proper noun? India is particular name. It is the name of our country. So here you have to write down proper noun, capital P. Next, second one is ORANGE, orange. Orange is common noun or proper noun? Yes, it is commonly given name. So it is common noun. Here you have to write down capital C. Next CAKE, cake. It is also common noun. Write down here capital C. Earth, EARTH, earth. It is proper noun. Here you have to write down capital P. Next one, second Roman. Match the following sentences. It is matching, children. Birbal. What is the suitable sentence here? Yes, Birbal should be given sweets. Next, Shadisha. Shadisha should be hanged. Mulla do paisa. Head should be cut off. Shahbaz Khan. Head should be whipped. Birbal, B is the correct sentence. Should be given sweets. Shadisha, A is the correct matching, children. You have to do like this. Like this. Should be hanged. Mulla do paisa. Head should be cut off. Here you have to match from here to here, children. Next, Shahbaz Khan. Shahbaz Khan said what, children? Should be whipped. From here to here you have to match. Okay, children. Next Roman number. See carefully, ma. Say true or false. Here King Akbar called his noblemen to give them sweets. King Akbar called his noblemen to give them sweets. It is true or false? Yes, it is false. Birbal said to Akbar to give them sweets. So it is false. Write down here false, children. Okay, ma. Next see. Second one. Birbal suggested the person who pulled Akbar's mouth check should be whipped. Yes, it is true or false? False. Write down here F or FALSE, false. Next, Shadisha suggested the person should be hanged. It is true or false? Yes, it's true. So write down here capital T or TRUE, like that. Next, Shahbaz Khan suggested the person to be sent out of the kingdom. It is true? No, it is false. So here write down capital F or FALSE, false. Capital F gani FALSE, false అని gani write చేయండి. Next Roman number, children. Read the word and circle the correct sound. Here first read the word CHICK, chick. In this word, which sound is coming, children? CH, chick, chick. So circle these two letters. CH అనే letters ని మనం circle చేయాలి. Next, fish, FISH, fish. సో ఫిష్ అనే సౌండ్లో ఏ సౌండ్ వస్తుందమ్మా? ష్ ఎస్హెచ్. సో ఈ ఎస్హెచ్ అనే లెటర్స్, రెండు లెటర్స్ని, ఈ సౌండ్ లెటర్స్ని సర్కిల్ చేయాలి. వర్డ్ నెక్స్ట్ టీచర్, టీచా, సిహెచ్ సౌండ్. సో సర్కిల్ దిస్ సిహెచ్. ఎర్త్, th, th, here also circle the th sound. Okay ma. In chick ch, fish lo sh, teacher lo ch, earth lo th. Okay children, next turn the page ma. Next, fifth Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, the farmer is excited about, yes, which season? About winter season. Here you should write winter at least. winter, winter. In first blank lo winter ani write cheyandi. Next one, sheep and lamb have thick dash wool. wool, wool. Starting ma little finger gap ivandi wool ki. Okay na. Next, Shadish Shah suggested that the person should be dash. Shadish Shah suggested the person should be hanged. hanged, hanged. Third blank lo మీరు hanged అని రైట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ వన్, బీర్బల్ సజెస్టెడ్ టు గివ్ సమ్ డాష్ టు ద పర్సన్. బీర్బల్ ఏం సజెస్ట్ చేశారు? పర్సన్కి ఏమి ఇమ్మన్నాడమ్మా? ఎస్, స్వీట్స్. ఈ బ్లాంక్లో మీరు స్వీట్స్ అని రైట్ చేయండి. SWEETS, స్వీట్స్. ఫస్ట్ బ్లాంక్ వింటర్. నెక్స్ట్ wool. Shadish Shah suggested should be hanged. Birbal suggested to give some sweets. Okay. Next Roman number 6th one. Write the correct word to the given unscrambled words. Unscrambled words means jumbling words. Front letter before letter after, like that. CICHK. In this word, what is the correct word? Find out. Yes, chick. Write down here chick. CHICK. Next, HROES. Here write down HORSE, horse. Yes or no? Okay. Next, SCHEP. In this word, what is the correct word? Yes, SHEEP, sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Next, DCUK. Yes, DUCK, duck. In this blank, write down DUCK, duck. Next, answer the following questions. 7th Roman number is question and answers. What did the lamb want to be? What did the lamb want to be? Here you wrote the answer. What is the answer, children? Yes, the lamb wanted to be biggest woolly sheep. ఇక్కడ ఈ లైన్లో మీకు ప్లేస్ సరిపోతే ఇలా కింద రైట్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ రైట్ చేయండి. ద TH, the finger gap, LAMB, lamb, finger gap, wanted, 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 finger gap, TO2, finger gap, biggest, 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 again new finger gap, woolly sheep, WOOLLY, woolly, SHEEP, sheep, woolly sheep. The lamb wanted, the lamb want అనేది కూడా క్వశ్చన్లో ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ క్యాపిటల్ T అనేది మీరు రైట్ చేయండి. The lamb wanted. The answer you have to add ED. Wanted to be biggest woolly sheep. Next question. Why was the farmer so excited? ఎందుకని ఎక్సైట్ అయ్యాడు ఫార్మర్? ఎస్, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ది వింటర్ సీజన్. వింటర్ సీజన్ వల్ల ఎక్కువ ఎక్సైట్ అయ్యాడు. బికాస్, B, capital B. BECAUSC because OF of THE the WINTER winter SEASON season because of the winter season. Next, who is the majesty mentioned in the lesson? Who is the majesty ma? Yes, King Akbar is the majesty. Here write down KING King, finger gap, Akbar AKBAR Akbar. Like that you have to write down King Akbar is the majesty, MAJESTY. Okay, you have to write down here King Akbar is the majesty is already is there in that question. Okay children, next oral exam. Recite the poem No Sun No Moon. Already learned this poem, yes or no? Yes, no sun no moon, like that. Okay children, once again I will say that poem. No sun no moon, no stars no sky. Do you know why? I made them disappear. I didn't use a magic wand. I had no special gear. I didn't cast an evil spell. I didn't use first aid. I didn't do a tribal dance. I just pulled down my shirt. Once again I will repeat ma. Please listen properly. This is the oral exam, Nana. No sun, no moon poem. No sun, no moon, no stars, no sky. Do you know why? I made them disappear. I didn't use a magic wand. I had no special gear. I didn't cast an evil spell. I didn't use first aid. I didn't do a tribal dance. I just pulled down my shirt. Okay children, next question. Okay children, second one, what is a noun? How many types are there? Yes, what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. Noun is a, all naming words are nouns. Noun is a naming word or all naming words are nouns. A definition అనేది మీరు చెప్పాలి. Next, how many types are there? There are two types now. Two types of nouns are there. What are they children? One is common noun and another one is proper noun. Okay children, we will meet again in next class. Thank you children. Write neatly in your question paper, exam papers. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me, Nana, call me. Okay, okay children, thank you, bye.